All right, here's part two of my video about this outdated stuff about crypto and these financial planners, especially the black ones, giving out information ignorant to crypto. Let's go.
Qualified to invest in the traditional asset classes based on that debt. And they damn sure don't qualify to invest in non traditional asset classes like crypto if they're deep in debt. Get out of debt first, then invest in the traditional market, and then you can allocate around 3 to 5% of your overall investment portfolio to the non traditional, which would include crypto.
Okay. So his whole thing is traditional versus non-traditional. If you want to make non-traditional money, you should not be investing into traditional markets. What are traditional markets? Apple. What did Apple do in a year? 45%, which is not even a double. Okay. 100% is a double on your money. What did Bitcoin do in 1 year? 163% in 1 year. Okay. Which is almost a triple on your money. What did one of my picks that I picked that's in my crypto group? 2,700%. 2,700%. So let's say you got in around $1 and you sold it around $40. That's 40x. So $1,000 turned into $40,000. If you were in my crypto group at the time and you got this pick. All right. This is called Injective. That's the name of the crypto project. So when he says you should get out of debt first and then once you're out of debt, then you can get into traditional markets for 5-10%. And then based on your total portfolio, only 5 to 10% of your total portfolio should go into crypto, but you're only making 5 to 10% in a year, typically in 401k and Roth IRA based on investment vehicles. And you only put 5 to 10% of that portfolio in something that can 100, 200% in a year to possibly 10x to 100x in a year. That doesn't make much sense. Doesn't make much sense at all. This is the old way of investing. This is the way that doesn't get you rich. This is the way to keep other people rich. When you buy into Apple stock and all of these big companies, like let's go into the market cap stuff, because this is what a lot of people don't understand. Apple's market cap, 2 trillion. Okay. That is the market capitalization, 2 trillion. What is Bitcoin's? Bitcoin's market cap is almost $1 trillion. Okay. It's almost 1 trillion. Apple's is 2 trillion. Bitcoin's is almost $1 trillion. But Bitcoin is a global thing. Apple is global, but majority of people that are invested in Apple are in the United States. Okay. Now let's go to Injective. Injective's market cap is $3 billion. 3 billion. Let's look at the market cap for a year. The market cap back a year ago was 100 million. 100 million. Now it's over 3 billion. That's how you multiply your money. If the market cap can multiply, your money can multiply. Let's go back to Apple. For Apple to go from 2 trillion to 20 trillion as a company, not a currency, Bitcoin as a currency is different. Apple would have to sell 5 times more, at least 5 times more Apple products for it to justify the value going to 20 trillion. That is a lot of money, guys. For you to possibly 10x your money, it doesn't make sense. Okay. You can find projects with small market caps in the millions, maybe 100 million, that can 10x to a measly billion market cap. It's all about finding the projects that can do this. Now, what is the category of this crypto? Because he's saying that they don't have use cases. This is a smart contract platform, and this platform has its own blockchain. Projects that have their own blockchains are like a street with businesses built on their street or their chain. Okay. It allows other crypto projects to be able to be used on this particular blockchain. That's what the crypto use case is. So let's go back to what he's saying.
All right, there it is. And O'Shea, don't send them more money. You cutting into your tricking. You cutting into your tricking money at this point. Now, don't send nothing else.
Let me go
Don't
back.
send nothing else.
to invest in non-traditional asset classes down. So most people aren't even qualified to invest in the traditional asset class.
So the word qualified is what I have a big problem with. That's an elitist term. Qualified. What makes a person qualified to invest? These terms, man, they're very condescending. They're very elitist. They're very just bad faith terms. You can be qualified if you know what you're investing in. Simple as that. If you know this is a cryptocurrency based on real estate, which they have no idea real estate is being sold, transacted, rental properties are on the blockchain right now. They don't know this. So if you know about Apple, Netflix before it is Netflix, you can invest into it. That qualifies you to invest into it because you know about it. You've done your research. So that qualifies you to invest in anything. You don't have to be debt free to invest in a potential investment that can 10x to 100x your money. You don't have to be qualified to do that or be debt free. A lot of times that can get you out of debt. If you can 10x and 100x your money, that can pay off your debt. But it takes a lot of research. That takes a lot of balls. That takes a lot of guts to do that. And you cannot go into that fearful. You can't look at it as the boogeyman. Oh, it's a non-traditional investment. Oh my God, it's crypto. It can go down. Oh my God. Yeah, that's any investment. It can go down. What about it? If you're going to be spooky about investing, then you're not ready to do this. You're not ready. But if I show you an example of a project that went up 40x, shouldn't that tell you maybe there's something I need to learn? What is Injective? What is that about? It just means you don't know what to invest in. That's all it is. Oh man, Dogecoin went to the moon. Well, that's what a lot of people bought Dogecoin because it's a meme coin. It's different type of cryptocurrencies that have use case, and there's some that don't. And a lot of the ones that don't are the ones that people market to you. Because the dude was like XRP earlier. He was like, XRP is going to the moon. Let's do a deep dive on XRP. Let's go to XRP. Okay. XRP, because the guy was saying, this is how this started when I did part one. He said XRP and Bitcoin ready to blow. Okay. Now, XRP market cap is 32 billion. Everybody knows about XRP, but look at a year. XRP only went up 71%. He doesn't know about Injective going up 2,700% because he doesn't understand categories, cryptocurrency. Okay? Categories, smart contract platform. Those are differences. AI based cryptocurrencies. If you don't know, then of course you would say XRP, because you're looking at price. You're not looking at market cap valuation. Because look at Apple. Apple's price is $181. What is the market cap? Basically $3 trillion. $38. $3 billion. 59 cent, 32 billion, because market cap is based on the circulating supply. Circulating supplies are different. If I was to type it in, it would show the circulating supply of Apple stock shares. Okay. That determines the market cap. Okay. Now, XRP is a cryptocurrency. It's not a blockchain. It doesn't have anything built on it. They say, oh, we're going to build around banks, and you don't need to build around banks. XRP is honestly a great marketing project to just make Ripple money, which is the parent company, Ripple. Okay. But it's look at the year. This is what matters. How much did you make in a year? How much did you make in 30 days? It's not about marrying a project. Even in 30 days, this went up 133%. It went up 2,700%. That is the point of crypto, is that it makes you higher and faster multiples on the same money you would invest in traditional things, or just XRP, because it's at 59 cents and people don't understand market cap. It's just simple and plain. So this whole traditional financial advising thing is very outdated. It's very old. And I'm just being honest with you guys. It's not something that's going to make you the gains we need. And as you know, a lot of black people just follow these guys because they're popular. It doesn't mean that they're educated, because a financial advisor is just telling you where they feel that you should put your money. But that doesn't mean they're educated on the actual investments themselves. You can't, like, okay, if a financial advisor is saying, okay, you should get you a 401k, okay, you should get this stock, you should get that stock. Why? What is the growth that I'm going to get in Netflix? What is the growth I'm going to get in Microsoft that is already there? They're not planning your money in a sense of making you 10x and 100x to become millionaires. That's not the point. Okay. But the whole point of using capital is to get the most out of your money. But if you're cool with making 5 to 10% a year, it's all good. I'm not knocking you. Okay. But if you were to educate yourself, then maybe you'll find other things. Like the group that we have plenty of examples showing 10x gains. All right. Just like Injective. All right. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. This was an interesting video that for some reason I just stumbled upon it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Peace.